Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 15th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's a binary time, and this one will be number 8541. 8541. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again within 2 minutes. So I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.